In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add local business schema in Rank Math. If you want search engines to clearly understand your business details and boost your visibility in local results, adding local business schema is a smart move. We'll do this using Rank Math, and I'll walk you through it in a clean, simple flow. Start by heading to rankmath.com in your browser. This ensures you're familiar with the plugin and its features. With Rank Math installed and activated on your WordPress site, open the Rank Math SEO section from your dashboard. This is where all of the key configuration lives, and it's designed to make structured data effortless. Inside the Rank Math SEO area, open titles and meta. Think of this as your master control panel for how your site's content appears to search engines. From here, go to the Local SEO tab. This dedicated section is specifically for providing business information that gets output as JSON LD schema, so Google and other search engines can parse it reliably. Enter your website name exactly as you want it to appear in search. If you're a local business, use your official business name, keeping capitalization and branding consistent with what customers see elsewhere. Consistency helps search engines trust your information. Next, upload your logo. Choose a clean, high-resolution logo file, ideally a square image in PNG or SVG format with a transparent background if possible. Keep the file size reasonable for performance and make sure it matches your branding used on other platforms. Now, enter your website URL and a business email address. Use your full homepage URL with HES and provide a monitored email that customers can use to reach you. These fields help complete your brand identity in search, so accuracy is key. Select your opening hours format and related settings. Decide whether you prefer a 12-hour or 24-hour format, then set your standard hours, note any days you're closed, and add breaks if you close midday. If the section offers additional fields like business type, address, contact type, or areas served, complete them carefully for the most precise schema. Provide only accurate, up-to-date information that matches your site and other listings. Once everything looks correct, click Save Changes. Rank Math will generate the local business schema behind the scenes and add it to your site automatically. This structured data helps search engines understand who you are when you're open and how people can connect with you, which can improve local discoverability and trust. That's it. Your local business schema is now set up